你好 ，Welcome to my lab， 欢迎来到我的频道，我是小娟。So before we start the tones and everything, we have to understand this concept. What is Mandarin? Mandarin is also being called as 普通话. It literally means the common language and is the official and the standard Chinese language. It's being used mostly by the schools, government offices, and daily communication. And also, you might notice about that it's actually based on the Beijing accent. So why? So here is a simplified word map. So China is actually a huge country, so we have different nations and ethnics. Each provinces and areas, they actually speak different languages, or so we call dialects. For example, I can speak Mandarin, 你好. If we're going to use the same content, say in my hometown accent, that will be 你好. You can hear it's actually a huge difference. So just to avoid the confusion and help people to communicate and understand each other better, so we just use a official and standard language. So that's how Mandarin being implemented in recent years. So, but then why we have to master the tones? What does it matter? As we all know, or at least now, Mandarin is a tonal language, so tones are actually very important. Otherwise, you will be like, you want to say, for example, horse. Then somehow, as we hear it, when your tones are not accurate, it might mean mother. For example, 马, that's horse. Mother, 妈妈, it's different tones. So to be able to pronounce those clear and accurate is the key how we communicate. So what's next then will be, we actually have Pinyin and Hanzi. That's the most easiest way to understand what's Mandarin, what it is included. So Pinyin, as we understand, it's a sound. It's content were codified by just letters that's come later. And Hanzi is our writing system, which appears on every book and contains the meaning. So let's start easy. We need to start with the Pinyin, the sound first, because handwriting is way more complicated and difficult. Now what's next? If you're ready to practice your sound or your pronunciation and your tones, let's go to the next class. See you there. 再见。